na ninawahisi mpeleke watoto into public schools. It is cheaper for me as an area member of parliament. It is cheaper for you as a parent. Kupeleka watoto public school. Na serikali mwishowe tunaweza pata even more scholarships kama watoto wanasoma public schools. Kwa hiyo mengi nasema asanteni sana kwa komiti ya Suna Educational Center na wazazi na wanafunzi. Nasema asante. Inshallah tutafanya bidii, tutakuwa nakuja na kwenu kila wakati commission. Na nimesema hata kwa speech yangu ya wakati ya parliament. We have a shortage of teachers in this county because of the exodus of the previous of what have been happening in the security situation in the town. We will be asking the Teacher Service Commission, especially on this transition of from class grade 6 to junior secondary. We have one teacher in each school, which is not adequate enough to teach 14 subjects. Some of the teachers are art teachers and some of the are in these schools. So tunaomba Teacher Services Commission wahakikisha ya kwamba we have adequate infrastructure for 100% transition as the government requires, and also for teachers to be deployed